if you've been invited to a meeting on Outlook and you're not the organizer, I'm going to show you a naughty little trick to be able to cancel that meeting from the organizer's calendar. Yeah, you heard right. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm in Outlook. I've organized a meeting over here. Here it is, and I've invited this person over here, and they haven't responded. So I'm going to now assume the role of this person in receiving this. So you'll receive it via an email, and here it is. Now, instead of saying yes, maybe, or no, you can go ahead and click on Join Online Meeting. This will actually open up in Microsoft Teams. So this is what it looks like. We have now joined the meeting. However, the meeting hasn't started yet because it's actually scheduled for a future date. So once we are in Teams, you're going to go over to the left-hand side. You're going to come down to Calendar, and you'll find it on your calendar. Here it is down here, and you're going to click on it. It'll open this up, and now you can see the organizer is Sam. Okay, and it is not Tyler John, as you can see. And what we can do is click on Edit. And if you click over here, you can actually click on Cancel Meeting. That's a little bit naughty. So somebody has organized a meeting and we're canceling it. And go ahead and say Cancel Meeting. And you can see over here on the original organizer's page or calendar, it's actually been removed. I hope this was helpful.